what do we have here? We have a circle. Now in this circle, we have this arc, which is arc PQ. Now this arc PQ is a semicircle. Now in this arc, when we make an angle, what do we see? We see that it is a right angle. So this is a very important property of a circle. So angle in a semicircle is a right angle, and it is true for any circle. Whenever you make an angle in a semicircle, you will always find that the angle is 90 degrees or right angle. So what does the theorem state? Angle in a semicircle is a right angle. Can we prove it? Let's see. So what is given here? A semicircle ABD having center at O. Semicircle ABD which has a center at O. Now we need to prove that angle ABD is equal to 90 degrees. So this particular angle here is 90 degrees. That's what we need to prove. So first of all, what do we consider? We consider the fact that angle AOD is equal to 2 into angle ABD. Why do we say so? Because let's see, this is angle AOD. Now when we talk about this particular arc here, then it subtends angle AOD at the center and angle ABD at the remaining part of the circle. So we know that angle made by an arc at the center is 2 times angle made by the arc at any point on the remaining part of the circle. So this angle will be 2 times this angle, or angle AOD is 2 times angle ABD. Now we also know that angle AOD is equal to 180 degrees. Why do I say so? Because AOD is a straight line, isn't it? And when we talk about angle on a straight line, it is always 180 degrees. So we can say that angle AOD is 180 degrees. Or if we replace AOD or substitute AOD, we can write 2 into angle ABD is equal to 180 degrees, because AOD is equal to 2 into angle ABD. So 2 into angle ABD is equal to 180 degrees. Now if 2 comes here, then we have 180 by 2, which is 90. So angle ABD is equal to 90 degrees. So we got this particular angle as 90 degrees, and so we prove that angle in a semicircle is a right angle. Now will the converse be true? The converse states that if an arc of a circle subtends a right angle at any point on the remaining part of the circle, then the arc is a semicircle. So the converse is mentioning that the arc is subtending an angle which is 90 degrees or subtending a right angle. So that arc will be a semicircle. How can we prove it? First of all, what is given? The given fact is arc APD subtends angle ABD. Angle ABD here, and angle ABD is 90 degrees. That is given to us. We need to prove that this particular arc here is a semicircle. So we need to prove arc APD is a semicircle. Now first of all, we'll perform a construction. We'll join AO and DO. So AO and DO are joined. Now in the proof, what is the first fact? First fact is that angle ABD is equal to 90 degrees. That is given to us. Also, angle AOD is equal to 2 into angle ABD. So this angle will be twice this angle. Why do I say so? Because angle made by an arc at the center is 2 times angle made by the arc at any point on the remaining part of the circle. So this arc is making this angle at the center, and this is another angle at remaining part of the circle. So always this angle will be twice this angle. So angle ABD. Now we can write this as angle AOD is equal to 2 into 90 degrees, because we know that angle ABD is equal to 90 degrees, isn't it? So this is what we get. Now 2 into 90 degrees is nothing but 180 degrees, isn't it? So we can say angle AOD is equal to 180 degrees. Now if angle AOD is equal to 180 degrees, what does it mean? It means that we are talking about this particular line segment here, and it is a straight line. Only then you will get 180 degrees. Only when you have a straight line you can have an angle 180 degrees on it. So AOD is a line segment, and we know that it is passing through the center because we have joined AO and DO, or OA and OD. We have joined them. So it is passing through the center, and it is a line segment which is joining 2 points on the circle. So we can say that AD is diameter of the circle, isn't it? So if AD is the diameter of the circle, so definitely this particular arc here, arc APD, is a semicircle, isn't it? So we can say that arc APD is a semicircle. So we were able to prove the converse of it. So this is a very important theorem of circles. That is, angle in a semicircle is always a right angle, and its converse is also true.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.